Close your eyes.
Okay.
I got a smart fridge for you.
Okay,
Come
let me
on.
hold on to you.
Hold on to me. This is a one of a kind. You're not gonna believe it. Hang
Okay.
on. Okay. Just hang in there. Careful, careful. Keep coming.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
This better be worth it.
Yeah. I finally got this, man.
Can I talk to it?
Hey, this is.
Can it
a
tell me what I
one-of-a-kind.
need to buy at the grocery store?
This is a one of a kind. Hang on.
Open.
Wait. Just wait a second.
It's taking too long. It's not
No.
that smart. It's kind
Yes,
of
it
dumb.
is. I gotta start it up.
We have a dumb a dumb refrigerator, not a smart one.
I gotta start it up, right?
It's dumb and old because it's taking too long to start.
No, it's not. Hold up. This is great.
I want a smart and fast refrigerator, not a slow
We
and
just got it.
dumb.
We just got it.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What? You like it?
Yeah.
This is cool.
No,
right?
that's not the new one.
Yeah.
That is not.
Isn't that cool? Look at that.
I like the duct tape the best.
Hey, that's a smart. This smart refrigerator was on sale.
No, he did not buy it.
Look at that. Look at our refrigerator, man. Where are you gonna get that? Look.
Yeah.
Look at the touch screen.
You get that by stealing your kid's iPad and putting it on the fridge.
No, he didn't take mine.
This is so cool. Look, you can do everything with it. Hey, you want to talk to it?
It doesn't tell me what I need.
Whatever you want. Look at this.